Welcome to Alfonso Cahero, Introduction to Statistics. Chapter 4, Data Visualization Statistics course. Welcome to our course on data visualization, a vital component of statistics that transforms complex datasets into visual formats, making it easier to identify patterns, trends, and insights. Data visualization is crucial for effectively communicating information, as visual representations can reveal insights that might be missed in raw data, aiding in clearer understanding and informed decision-making. Common types of data visualizations include bar charts, histograms, pie charts, box plots, scatter plots, and line charts. Bar charts compare different categories by displaying bars where each bar's length represents a category's value. Histograms show the frequency distribution of continuous data by grouping values into bins, while pie charts illustrate proportions of a whole with slices representing different categories. Box plots summarize data distribution, highlighting the median, quartiles, and potential outliers, and scatter plots reveal relationships between two variables, with points representing paired values. Line charts track changes over time, making it easy to observe trends and variations. To create effective visualizations, it's important to choose the right type of chart for your data. Keep the design simple to avoid clutter, use clear labels and legends, and highlight key insights to guide viewers' attention. Data visualization helps present and analyze data in a way that uncovers insights, communicates findings, and supports decision-making. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of data visualization. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into data analysis and statistical methods.